Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will do our next question of 7.2 exercise. 7.2 we already finished up to 5th question. Now we will do the 6, 7 and 8 question. What is? Read everyone. 6th question. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC. Everyone know what is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle mean a triangle in which two sides are equal and in which given AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC and side next line BA is produced. BA is produced up to D point such that AD equal to AB. AB equal to AC and AB equal to AD. It means AD and AC also equal. Then prove that BCD is 90 degree. BCD. B this total angle. BCD. It means this angle plus this angle is how much? 90 degree. So to show that what angle BCD is 90 degree. So look at how to approach the answer. Always we will use the every part whatever given in question. What is given in a question? ABC is a isosceles triangle. ABC isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal in a triangle, opposite angle is always equal. So we will use this one. So write in triangle ABC. ABC. AB equal to AC. It is given. Yes, everyone know. And if two sides are equal, then opposite angle is always equal. So you can write angle ABC equal to angle ACB. If both are equal, let they are equal to X degree. Understand or not? So you write reason. What is reason? Reason we will write here. Angle opposite to equal side. Reason is very important. We will write in each question. Understand? So angle opposite to. So equation number 1. Second is we know BCD. We want to prove that angle C is 90 and 90. How can you say that? It means we have to find the angle C. Here we already found this angle. We already found. Now we will find this one. So right in triangle ACD. This side equal to this one. And if two sides are equal, so opposite angle of this side and opposite angle of this side both are equal. So you can write angle ACD equal to angle ADC. They are equal. Suppose they are equal to Y. You cannot say they are also X because X we already taken. Understand or not? So write reason. Angle opposite to equal side. Same reason we will write here. Angle opposite to equal side. And now what we will do? Now it is X. It is also X. And it is, you consider, it is Y. So it is also Y. And we know in triangle BCD, tell me BCD, and sum of all angle in a triangle is always this one plus this one plus is always 180. So you can write in triangle BCD angle ABC plus BCA plus ACD plus ADC equal to 180. Why? Angle sum property. Everyone know sum of all angle in a triangle 180. ABC how much? X. It is also X. It is Y. It is Y. How much? 180. X plus X 2X 2Y 180. 2 is common. X plus Y equal to 180. Multiply another side, divide. So X plus Y equal to 90 degree. So it means x plus y. This angle is 90 degree. X plus y mean it means BCD equal to 90 degree. Understand it? So note down it, everyone. So this was sixth question. Now next question, seventh question we will do. Seventh is ABC is right angle in which angle A is 90. ABC is a right angle triangle, but 90 degree at A. B, C. 90 degrees given. In which right angle triangle in which AB equal to AC also given. Then find. We have to find angle B and angles. We have to find angle B and C. Tell me what is. Can you tell me? It is very simple question. Very easily you can do. Yes, these two sides are equal. So opposite of these angle is equal. It is already 90. Sum of all three angle 90 degree. Yes. So proof. Because sum of all three angle 180. It is 90. 180 minus 90. So B plus C how much? 90. And B equal to C already. And B equal to C. B is 45 and C is also 45. Do yourself. How will you do? Proof. You will write ABC is a right angle triangle at A. Now you can write in triangle ABC. In ABC, what is AB equal to AC given, and if AB equal to AC, it means opposite of AB what angle? Angle C. Opposite of AC, angle B. So angle C equal to angle B. Why? Reason you can write yourself. Angle opposite to equal side. Angle opposite to equal side. So now, so you can write, so triangle A, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, how much? 180 degree. Why? Again, angle sum property. It is theorems we already know. Sum of all three angle is 180. Angle A is 90. Angle B equal to C. So in place of B, you can put in C, or in place of C you can put B is 180. So angle B plus B, angle 2B. 180, 90 another side, negative. So 2B equal to 90 degree and angle B equal to 45. And if angle B equal to C, you know, so angle C is also 45. Do you understand? So you can very easily, if in any triangle two sides are given and one angle is given, suppose it is 40 degree. How much these two angle? Opposite of this one, they are equal. Sum of three angle 180. 180 minus 40, 140. 140 half 70. Understand it? So next question we will do now. Last question of 7.2. So note down it and write the reason every time. Eighth question. In eighth question, show that the angle of a equilateral triangle are 60 degree. ABC is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral mean a triangle in which all three sides are equal to each other. And if all three sides are equal, do you remember in 7th and 8th class many times we use directly in equilateral triangle is each angle is 60 and 60 degree. But Now here we has to prove that all angle, each angle is 60 degree. So how will we use? Yes, equilateral mean all three sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Then opposite angles are equal. We will use these theorems. Always you should remember the statement of theorems, and you have to think whatever is given in the question, we should use the answer. Understand? Next is the proof. So write, let ABC is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, so AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC equal to BC, because equilateral triangle mean all three sides are equal, and if all three sides are equals, AB equal to AC and AC equal to BC. So you write. So first we will take first case, if AB equal to AC, only this one, it is given AB equal to AC, this side equal to this one, then opposite of this angle and opposite of this angle, angle C equal to angle B. Why? Angle opposite to equal side. Understand? Second, next is, now we will do, if any two side you can take. Here AB equal to AC, now AC equal to BC. AC, it is AC and it is BC. So opposite of BC, angle A, and opposite of AC, angle B. So write angle A equal to angle B. Yeah, it is equation 1. Again, reason, angle opposite to equal side. Now what we can write? What we want to prove that each angle is 60 degree. Yes, each angle is, it is equation 2. So what we write? By equation 1 and 2, and tell me angle A equal to B, it is given angle A equal to B and angle B equal to C. So each angle is equal. Do you understand? Now we will use, so you can write, in triangle ABC we will use angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree, because sum of all angle in an equilateral triangle is 180 degree. So write the reason. Angle A equal to angle A plus angle A equal to 180. Either you can replace B or C by A, either you can replace A and B by C, anyone you can use, replace. So angle A plus angle A plus angle A, angle 3A equal to 180. So angle A equal to 60 degree. If angle A is 60 degree and angle A equal to B already given, so angle B equal to 60 and angle C equal to B also, so angle C is also 60 degree. So each angle in a equilateral triangle is 60 degree. We will use, this one is also a theorem. We will use the directly its proof. Each angle in a equilateral triangle is always 60 degree. 60, 60, 60, and each side is also equal. Understand it? So note down it, and our 7.2 is already finished. Now we will discuss some two more result of the congruent triangles. These we already discussed these three results. First is side angle side, second is angle side, third is side angle side. Now fourth case is side. So note down everyone. Side congruence rule. What is side congruence rule? If three sides of a one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the another triangle. It is the SS side congruency rules. So write, if three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then triangles are congruent by side rule. Side rule. What is? In triangle ABC, DEF, it is 4, it is 5, it is 6. It is 6, it is 4, it is 5. So AB equal to EF, BC equal to EF, AB equal to DF, and AC equal to DF. So write triangle ABC congruent to AB. AB is 4. Here is 4 is DF. So triangle DF. Next is BC 5. 5 here, F E congruent to this one. Yes, AB 4. Last two BC 5. Last two FE 5. And we know if two triangles are congruent, then all corresponding parts are equal. How many corresponding parts? 6 corresponding parts in triangles. 3 are angle, 3 are side. Side is already given. Now if I ask you, angle A equal to here angle D. Yes, angle A equal to D. They are corresponding. Angle B middle is B equal to angle F, and angle C equal to angle E. All three. So these three sides already equal, and these three angles is also equal, because we already proved that triangles are congruent. Understand? So note down it. It is the fifth property. Side. Now fifth case is RHS. Right angle, hypotenuse, and side. What is meaning of congruent? Congruent means if these two triangles are congruent, and if we put one triangle on another, they will cover completely each other. So last force. Fifth rule, RHS congruence rule. RH congruence rule. So write, if in two right angles, with types of two angles, with types of two triangles, right angle. If in two right triangles, they are right triangles are given. If in two right triangles, R mean right mean 90 degree, S mean hypotenuse, and S mean side. If in two right triangles, the hypotenuse and S means side, and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the another triangle, and one side of another triangle, then triangles are congruent. Then right triangles are congruent. Otherwise you can write, then triangles are congruent. You can write like this one. It is 90 degree. Always This is special case for only right angle triangles. PQR. Any one side. Yes. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is always opposite of 90 degree. Suppose it is 7. It is also 7. It is 3 centimeter. It is also 3 centimeter. So they are congruent or not? Yes. What is right? Mean 90 degree. Yes. 90. Next, hypotenuse equal. Yes. 7. And one side AB and AC. So right. So triangle ABC congruent to which one? Angle B is 90 middle. So angle BQ is middle 90 degree. Next, AC is equal and here is PR. Understand? Or so R we will come first because RQ P because AB is 3. Here is R. AB is first. RQ is first. So these three in any two congruent triangle there are 6 corresponding parts. 3 are angles, 3 are sides. 2 side, 1 and 1. 2 side already given. So it means 3 side. It means BC always equal to PQ. Only one side is left. And another one, angle A equal to R. Angle R. Second, angle B 90 equal to angle Q. Yes, 90. And angle C equal to angle P. After the proved that the two triangles are congruent, we will check from here corresponding part. Angle A equal to corresponding R, B corresponding to Q, C corresponding to P, and BC corresponding to QP, AC corresponding to RP, and AB corresponding to R. Only these three. This is the important rule to how to check the corresponding parts. So everyone remember this one. These 5 rules very important of congruent. Two if you want to prove that two triangles are congruent. What are? Side angle side, angle side, angle side. Sorry, it is I already write again 2 times. It is angle side angle, side angle side, angle side, angle side angle, side and RHS. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Do your study with